and welcome back to the Ariel Views. I am Ariel. If you didn't already know, my boyfriend and myself are both ER travel nurses. I'm here by myself today because Oscar's out doing a whole bunch of things before we leave for our next assignment. If you've watched all of our other videos, you know that our first travel nurse assignment was done in Virginia. We finished our assignment early May. We decided to take about a month off. That's the beautiful part of travel nursing, is you can take as much time off as you want in between your assignments. You did take a little mini trip to Puerto Rico. I'll probably have some videos coming out about how to travel Puerto Rico and what not to miss, so make sure you stay tuned for that. One really big thing that Oscar and I both decided to do was purchase an RV. We just left Virginia yesterday, drove 16 hours through Tennessee, through Georgia, through Alabama, through Mississippi, and Louisiana, and made it here to Texas late last night. We are here to pick up a very special something. We're very excited. Here we are. So that's where I am sitting right now. I am sitting in our brand new home on wheels. We had kind of been playing with the idea of purchasing a travel trailer or an RV since we even first started talking about travel nursing. So we did it. We purchased an RV. There's a few reasons why we chose to go this route. Our first assignment, we rented out an Airbnb. I did do a video on that when we first got to Virginia, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. As great as that experience was, we very quickly realized that it wasn't exactly what we wanted to continue doing as we continued to travel nurse. The reason being is it was expensive. Airbnbs for monthly rentals are expensive, and as nice as our hosts were and as nice as our place was, it was still not ours because we were sharing the house with the owners, and it just wasn't something that we could foresee ourselves doing for the rest of our travel nurse assignments. So RV travel nursing, basically the concept is you get to take your home with you wherever you go. That was really appealing to us, especially when we were packing up and leaving Virginia. Realized, wow, it would be so nice to not have to pack up each and every time we're leaving, because we basically have our home with us all the time. You can put anything you want in it, you can decorate it how you want. As travel nurses, we're constantly going to different places, so having your own RV kind of gives you a little bit of consistency within the change. I am sitting in our brand new RV, of course. I'm gonna give you guys a tour around, and just to kind of give you guys a little bit of an intro and a preview of how we're gonna be living for this next 13-week assignment and for all our assignments from here on out. If you guys are interested in RV travel nursing, make sure you stay tuned. Show you guys what we decided to decorate with, what we decided to put in here. Maybe it'll inspire you to go the RV travel nurse route. So here is our RV. We have named it Franklin after the Franklin Mountains from where we are from. This is a Forest River Wildwood. The model is 27RK and it is 34 feet long. So as you're looking at the RV on the outside, you'll see that it does come with an outdoor kitchen that has a griddle and a fridge. Super convenient and fun to use. It also has this really cool awning that you can expand and collapse, and we're just supposed to be careful with that when we're outside and if it's windy, because it is made out of canvas, but it's a really cool, fun feature. So this next part of the RV tour, I'm just going to be showing you guys exactly what it looks like directly from the dealer. We didn't do any renovations or anything. As you can see, there's a ton of natural light that comes in from both sides with the huge windows. You've got your recliners to the left. Right across from them, you've got your huge lounge couch there, and then your dinette over in the corner. And this is the view that you're going to see looking from the kitchen down to the other side of the RV. So moving into the kitchen now, one thing that we loved so much about this travel trailer is how much space the kitchen had. Got this really big sink with a detachable sprayer. We loved the backsplash. We loved the colors. It does come with a 3-burner stove. Of course, it's got your oven. And then we have a whole bunch of storage here with the cabinets. And we just loved the design of the plexiglass on the cabinets. We just thought it really added a lot to the travel trailer. We've got a huge fridge that's perfect size for the both of us. We also have a pantry. So a pantry is actually really hard to come by in travel trailers. We looked at a lot of travel trailers and found that not many of them actually have a full pantry. We loved how open the whole area feels, and that's kind of what sold us on this travel trailer to begin with. Next, let's talk about storage. This travel trailer actually came with so many storage options. Under each seat on the right side, there's its own individual storage container.
So in total, there's 5 storage boxes that came with this travel trailer. You have 1 under each dinette seat, and then you've got 3 underneath the big lounge chair as well. One of my personal favorite features of this travel trailer is this living area mantle situation we've got going on. As you can see, there's a ton of room to be creative here. You can put a TV up there, you can put pictures, whatever you want. Most RVs come with a TV, but this one came with a Bluetooth speaker instead, which we actually prefer. And once again, this travel trailer came in clutch with all the storage space that it has. You've got 2 cabinets on each side of the mantle area, just for whatever you would like to store there. And finishing off the tour of the living room, we've got our little makeshift fireplace here. You can actually change the colors of the fire and the rocks. It does give off heat, and I just think it's such a cool little added feature to the living area. Next up, we've got our bathroom. Nothing too exciting here. It's pretty standard for a travel trailer bathroom, but we do like how tall the shower is, and there's also just a ton of storage in here as well, which we absolutely love. Next up, we've got our bedroom, which is just right here in the back of the travel trailer next to the bathroom. It's your pretty standard bedroom, nothing too exciting here. We do love that there's these blackout shades, which is perfect for us night shift workers. It's even got its own closet, which is amazing. Again, not very common for travel trailers. And then you've got your storage cabinets on both sides, each with their own mirror, and then you've got some storage on the top of the bed as well. We also love that there's underbed storage as well. You have access to the outside under storage, and the travel trailer did come with these collapsible fabric storage boxes. So again, just so functional and so much storage. So fast forward a few days, now we're going to show you how we decorated this travel trailer. I had tons of help from friends that have a lot more style than me, but this is what you see when you walk in. We wanted to make sure we added lots of greenery, coziness, bright colors, and we wanted to make sure that it felt like a home because this is where we're going to be living for the next 13 weeks. So the style that we were really going for was just natural, neutral, bright colors, greenery, coziness, and we actually didn't want to get a TV in here, believe it or not, because we don't really watch TV. And we thought a mirror would be a great way to open up the space, make it seem even more bright and more open, and I think that it came out perfect, just the way that it is. Comfy pillows and blankets were a must, so as you can see, we added a whole heck of a lot around the travel trailer, and I think it really makes it seem much more homey. Moving on to the kitchen and dining area, we obviously have the essentials. We did replace our old plates with non-breakable ones, so everything that we are using as far as plates, bowls, cups are all plastic and non-breakable. We did also purchase an espresso machine and these cute little containers to put coffee in. We did put our magnets from our travels on the fridge, and then of course we added some decor onto the dining table as well.
So something else that we really loved about this RV is that this couch turns into a full bed, and then that little dinette is so versatile as well. So this seat right here can either face that way like it's doing now, or you can turn it this way so it's facing here, or you can turn that whole section also into a full bed. So this turns into a full bed, that turns into a full bed, and plus you've got the recliners across from you. We love how versatile the furniture is in here. Also, let's just take a second to appreciate the flooring of this RV because I just think it's so cute and modern, and the colors just go with everything that we chose for the color scheme. I just wanted to take a second and show you guys the floor because I'm weird, I don't know. I just love it so much. It makes the place seem so much more modern. We're gonna head to the bathroom now. So the bathroom's just right off the hallway here. It's pretty standard for an RV bathroom, you know, nothing too crazy. You've got your toilet, skylights here. The shower is actually pretty roomy. I was surprised how roomy it is. And the skylight actually allows tall people to fit in here. Over here though is where most of the storage is at, and we've got the gray theme kind of coming in through here. Just picked up this bougie little soap dispenser. And so this is our storage over here, which is really nice. So you open her up and you've got shelves, these are our towels, and you have a whole bunch of space here. And we actually purchased these. I actually saw this on TikTok. My friend sent it to me. It's perfect for an RV bathroom because as you can see, we really don't have any shelves. Instead of putting stuff on the floor here. We wanted to get things off the floor. So these are called shower gem, and you basically can just put your shampoo bottles and other things on here. It was maybe like $40. We also have storage under here. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there though. I'm not gonna open it. We purchased this just to have more storage in here. So we have a whole bunch of storage here, and then a medicine cabinet, which is super roomy as well. So we did get a little coat hanger, or like a little hanger thing here for like robes and towels and stuff. Walking out of the bathroom into the bedroom, again, really roomy, lots of light, but it's perfect because there's blackout shades. So during the day when we're sleeping, because we are night shifters, we can just close those up and it's super dark in here. We got this cute little comforter from Camping World. I love my RV. It's really cute. Has like forest trees and everything. Each side has a mirror, and there's a little bit of a hanger in there too. I will show you on this side. You open it up and you've got a whole bunch of storage space in here as well. I put some baskets in here just for extra storage, but you actually have a hanging rack as well, so you can put stuff on there. You have a bunch of storage up here. I got some more bins, of course, just to stay organized. And then the most exciting part is there's a whole closet in here, which again, for travel trailers and RVs, it's actually not that common to have a closet. So of course we got our scrubs hanging in here. We've got some bins underneath the bed here that you can just pull out, and we got some clothes in there and whatnot already. And of course, you can't have an RV without some string lights. So at nighttime, we can plug these babies in, and it's super nice and really, really homey. Standing from the end of the RV in the kitchen area, this is our view, and we are just so excited to start using this and living in it, sharing with you guys all the things we learned. I'm sure it's gonna be a learning curve in many ways. If you like these type of videos, and if you're a travel nurse or you're thinking about being a travel nurse, make sure you like and subscribe. I do plan on having a packing video coming out soon. We learned a lot about the do's and don'ts of how to pack for a travel nurse assignment, and we'll share a little bit about how we're packing for the RV as well, because it's a little bit different since you can pack more stuff in it. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you know when a new video is posted, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!